Welcome to Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare Tandoori chicken. I have 3.65 pounds of chicken legs, and I have 3.20 chicken thighs, and these are boneless chicken thighs. I'm going to go ahead and wash the chicken thighs and legs. I'm preparing this dish for a barbecue on Sunday. It will marinate for 48 hours. I removed the skin from the chicken legs, and I'm going to go ahead and cut little slits in the chicken so the marinade can go through the chicken a lot faster. So I'm going to do that with each piece of chicken. These chicken thighs are so large. I'm cutting them kind of in half because they are pretty large pieces.
I added 5.5 teaspoons of sea salt to the chicken, and also 4 teaspoons of black pepper. I have massaged that into the chicken. So I am waiting to add my next ingredient.
I'm gonna add some sour cream to the chicken and adding 1 tablespoon of black brown sugar to each and some pounds of chicken. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon pepper flakes to each 3 pounds of chicken. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves to each 3 pounds of chicken. I'm using a half a cup of sour cream on each batch of 3 pound chicken. Some people use the sour yogurt, plain yogurt on their tandoori chicken, but I use sour cream on mine, so it's up to you. The sour cream will help break down the muscles of the chicken, make it tender, so that's another reason sour cream and or plain yogurt is in the recipe. 5 garlic cloves in my hand, and I'm going to use the garlic presser. I'm using this size ginger. I'm going to go ahead and peel it and chop it up for the recipe. I'm going to use the grater for the ginger. Be very careful with your fingers. Get down to the core of the ginger. Don't cut yourself. I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken to my plastic bag, and I'm going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Then the next step would come in with all the other spices. Since this is such a long recipe, I decided to give you the ingredients as step by step as I go through the process. Massage the ingredients into the chicken. You make sure that the sour cream is all over the chicken before you refrigerate it. Now you can wear gloves when you're doing this. You only make this chicken every once in a while because it's a long process, I must say. But it's a very good dish. I think the last time I made it, it was for Father's Day, And my sister Willie and Rob was here. Kevin and Edna, Jesse, my sisters were all here. You only make this for people you love, okay? Because it is a long process. Okay, there's one bag I mixed up. I'll go ahead and mix up the other one. That's the second bag I mixed up. Okay, a lot of the recipes call for red food coloring to go into this recipe, but I'm going to use a beet. I'm peeling the beet here, and I'm going to add it to each one of the bags. Chop them in large pieces because all I want is the chicken to turn kind of red. I chopped up some mint from my garden, and I'm going to add that to the chicken. You can also use cilantro, but I'm using mint in my chicken. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lemon over the chicken. After I mix all of the spices in these bags, I'm gonna mix the chicken in one bag so that everything will get marinated together. This is a very large lemon, so let me just put it again. That's the beet. Put it on this one. That was one whole lemon that I'm using in this recipe. I'm gonna add all of the spices to the skillet, and I'm gonna warm them up. And when I smell the spices, then I will turn off the heat. That's cumin, 3 teaspoons of cumin. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of turmeric. We got 3 teaspoons of paprika. 3 teaspoons of coriander. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of masala. I turn the skillet on. It's on medium low. And I'm just going to kind of wake up the spices by heating them in a dry pan. When you smell the spices, just turn off the skillet. I can smell the spices, so I'm going to turn it off right now. I'm going to go ahead and add the spices to the bags, and then I'm going to mix the chicken in one bag. Go ahead and add the spices to the chicken. I'm not going to measure this because it's going to become one bag. If you like your chicken real spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper or some more pepper flakes. But since I'm making this for a barbecue, I don't want to blow anybody's head off the spices. Added it all in one bag. So I'm gonna zip it up and put it in the refrigerator. Next time you see me, I should be barbecuing this. Well, I took the chicken out of the refrigerator. Today I was gonna grill the chicken outside. However, it's raining really hard right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake it in the oven and try to infuse some smoke flavor in the chicken by using some smoke flavor. So let's get started. Open the bag here. It's a lot of chicken. That's why I was hoping I could grill it outside, because it is a lot of chicken for this barbecue today. I just hope it stopped raining and turned out to be a beautiful day. That would be nice. I'm gonna rinse this bag out so that I can get all of the juices from this chicken. I'm gonna spread this chicken out a little bit more on this pan here. Like I said, it's a lot of chicken to cook in the oven. But I'm gonna manage to do that. It's still gonna be very delicious. This, and I'm gonna put some liquid smoke. Okay, let me just pour this in the pan here. Pour it all over the chicken so chicken will get a smoke flavor. And I'm gonna spray this oil so it'll get nice and brown. I'll preheat the oven at 375. This is what the chicken looks like. It looks delicious. We'll go ahead and place it in the oven. I set the timer for 60 minutes, but it might have to stay in the oven a little longer than 60 minutes at 375 because there's so much chicken, so we'll see. It took 1 hour and 30 minutes for this chicken to cook, but it smells delicious, it looks delicious, and it's about time for me to take it over to the barbecue. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.